Hi everyone, I'm Joe Newman, this is HowEasy, and today I will show you how to create GIF from the video. Enjoy! So I have prepared here some video, it's really short, just 10 seconds. You can check it now and we can easily start. First, what you need to do is going under the video to the description and click on a link in the description, or just visit this page gifmaker.me and we can easily start. So second step is click on video to GIF and upload your video. I've prepared on my desktop. We easily upload the video. You can again check it here. You can set start time and end time. So I want all video in one GIF. Frames per second 20. It's enough. Image white. Image A 602. And you can just easily click convert now. So you can view your GIF, or you can easily download your GIF. So for today it was all. It was really quickly tutorial how to create GIF from the video. And stay tuned and visit our channel again, because in next videos we will show you more life hacks. Ciao.